Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the beam size on a flashlight. And these will be easy instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a flashlight, and I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to adjust the beam size on a flashlight like this. Now, your flashlight might have a different process, so take a look at your flashlight, try and figure out what the process might be. Read the owner's manual or the instruction manual or what the user manual, whatever you want to call it. Read the manual, read the instructions for your specific flashlight, and you'll have a better idea for how to do it for your specific flashlight. But I'll show you how to do it with this one right here, and then it might be able to be applied to your flashlight as well. I'm not sure. You have to use your own judgment, but I'll show you how to adjust the beam size with this flashlight right here. It's very, very simple. If you take a look at the flashlight, we look at the top right here. So this is where the light comes out of, okay? If you take a look, to adjust the beam size on this flashlight, we're gonna take this end, which is where like I said, where the light comes out of, and we are going to move it either closer to the handle or pull it further away from the handle. So bring it in or out, back or forth, whatever you wanna call it. That's how to adjust the beam size on this flashlight. Now let me show you what it does, what it looks like over here. If I do that, you can see what it looks like over there. Very, very simple. Okay, you can see exactly what it looks like over there. That's what it looks like right over there. That's how to adjust the beam size. And it makes sense that that would adjust the beam size when you see what it looks like over there. Okay, what I will do is I'm not going to point it at the camera because I don't know how it will turn out. I don't think it'll look great. But I'm going to turn the flashlight on. You can kind of see up here and watch. Oh, it looks like it's flickering. That's very interesting. It's not. Flashlight is not flickering in real life. It's just regular, but it looks like it's flickering on the camera. I guess maybe because of the frame rate. I'm not exactly sure. I think that could be the reason why. Anyways, as you can see, when I make the adjustment, look at that. We can adjust the beam size exactly as I said before, exactly as I showed you. I'm trying to get it on camera. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, as you can see, really, really easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, but like I said, with your own flashlight, you got to look at your own instructions. Maybe the process might be different. Maybe the process might be similar. Maybe the process might be the same. I'm not sure, but you have to use your judgment with your own flashlight and look at your own instructions for your own flashlight. But I showed you how to do it with this flashlight. Hopefully it can help you out in some way, shape, or form. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. And other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.